What's up guys, it's Cars Across Texas here. We're here covering the Houston Auto Show. It's gonna be my first day here. I got media passes, so plan on coming back some more. We got the new Yeezys, and we got this behind us. That color, insane. It's like a satin Austin yellow on this SV. Looks good. All right, yeah, let's go inside. Let's take a look around. I'll show y'all what we see. Oh look, you can still see the SV imprint. Check these old cars out. I believe this, yeah, old Impala.
Dad was born in 1960.
1960 Impala. And this slammed Continental. This is pretty cool. Pretty sinister. Another slammed Continental. Then we got this car up here. What does this say? A Roadrunner?
This is no, it's a Pontiac car.
Oh, Pontiac Catalina. Alright, we're immediately greeted with Ford. We got the new Focus RS, or not really new, but just newer. The 2019 Mustang GT convertible. And of course, the recently unveiled Mustang Bullitt. This car was just recently unveiled. It's supposed to be like a 50 year anniversary. The 1967 movie Bullitt with Steve McQueen. And this color is just, it's so nice. Like it's deep forest green. The traditional color for it. Check out this beauty. We've seen him before, but I can't get enough of the new Ford GT. It looks so good. And he even has a little Model 4 GT in his dashboard. This car is just insane, dude. I wish they had it lowered though. Alright, got the Lotus little section. We got two Lotus Evoras, and I really like this like British racing green and yellow combination. Looks pretty solid. Let me polarize it. Oh, nope. There we go. Best as I'll get. That looks pretty good. Now we're at Aston Martin. We got the Aston Martin Rapide, and we got the V12 Vantage, and a DB9. Of course, Mr. Bond. We got the regular Aston Martin Vanquish, and the Vanquish S is just around the corner. But this is the more important part right here. The old Vanquish, oh no, it's not a Vanquish, it's a DB AR1 Zagato Roadster. Now, I'm pretty sure this is like 1 of 99, just like every other Zagato. It is a pretty crazy looking car, especially for an Aston Martin of 2003. Look at that interior, delicious. Now here we go with the new the Aston Martin Vantage. This car was not one of my favorite looking cars. Let's walk around. Was not one of my favorite looking cars in pictures, but seeing it in person really does change my perspective on it. It actually does look super good and like a classy sort of aggressive, especially in this gray color. Didn't like the green, but well done, Aston Martin. We do gotta stop by this DB11. This color is incredible. It's like midnight blue. I'm sure my camera's not doing much work picking this up right, but in person this is a beautiful color, but it is scratched up. And we're over here at Ferrata with their very nice collection of wheels. I've been thinking about getting Ferratas for myself for a long time now. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe something like this. Yay or nay? But then we also got this insane, this absolutely ridiculous RS7 wide body bagged with a ski box. This is awesome. This might steal the show for me. Then we got this DB11 on Ferratas. These are rims I typically would see on like a Camaro or something else, not an Aston Martin, but they do look good, I gotta say. And then we got this M6 lowered on some nice Ferratas as well. Surprise, surprise. Here's another very nicely colored car here at the Houston Auto Show. I doubt my camera's picking it up. It doesn't look like it to me. But the CTS-V here is in like a light gray, like chalk color. Looks like chalk from Porsche. If y'all are familiar with that. It looks very nice next to the ATS-V in a slightly more just average color, but still looking very sharp. The interior on this Aston Martin is just, I can't get over it, dude. That's so nice. Now guys, I can't lie, I'm typically not much of a truck guy. Like, I like Raptors and that's about the extent of my truck knowledge. But this Black Ops Edition GMC Sierra actually looks very good. Can't believe I'm saying that a GMC truck looks good, but I can't lie, guys. Alright, we got this color shift CTS-V on some big old drag radial meats. Follow him. I'll put his shop name in the video. It's Mob Auto Boutique. I'll link it in the description as well. We got the Mob 63 matte black. Looking real nice. Oh, there we go. Some slingshots. You know, I'd need another way of transportation before I get a slingshot. But they are pretty cool. Meat. So here we got the Lotus Driving Academy Avora. Looking real good. I got this pretty wild truck. It's wrapped like chrome turquoise. Let's check out what else they got. And this. Jeez. These rims come up to my hip. Look at the suspension work in here. It's pretty bonkers. What'd you think, Mike? Would you drive?
Hell yeah, I'll drive this thing.
There we go.
You know what's bigger than me? I'd drive it.
Here we got this Charger RT. Looks like it's maybe a wrap in progress. As we come over here, and this side is wrapped matte black. And we got a Rolls Royce being unwrapped on Ford Giottos. Then this thing with the red rims. We got a Baja Raptor. Pretty bonkers. If I was to get one truck, it would be this right here. Mine. Now, holy crap, guys. Look at this satin gold GTR. Look at this wing. Total drag car. It's insane. GTR Ace. Those exhaust tips are massive as well. Could crawl into one of those and live. We got the Model X here with this cool, like, geometric pattern over the, that part of the car on some Vossen rims or Vorstein or whatever the heck. The Griffin on the side. It's pretty sick, dude. We got this Tesla. Looks lowered. It's a prior design Tesla as well on some blue Vorsteiner rims. Can't lie, it looks pretty good. And here's the front look at the satin gold GTR. That's, oh, he has a nitrous bottle in the back. Cool, cool. And then this bagged Audi A5. Some Vorsteiner rims again. Look at these green rims on this GTR at the big old wing. The Liger. Pretty nuts. Now I got this guy again here at the Imperial Collision booth. The wide body SEMA build 458. Looking real nice. Full Liberty Walk kit with the big wing on the back. Then of course we have the Huracan Performante. Now check this out, guys. This is a slingshot right here. Something's a little bit different. It has 4 wheels, which is pretty insane. Speakers on the outside, because why not? Then over here we have the cool colored wide body American Force supercharged Mustang GT. Pretty bonkers if you ask me.
Welcome to Camp Jeep.
Alrighty, we're riding the Camp Jeep Wrangler now, guys.
The Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited.
There we go.
So it's Newly redesigned, just out this month.
Okay.
Released at the LA Auto Show. It's the JL version instead of the JK version.
Okay.
So it's a little bit longer, a little bit wider, a little more refined. So this is the Rubicon edition of the Wrangler. It's the Unlimited, which is the 4-door version. The Rubicon's the top dog as far as our off-road packages.
Gotcha.
So this has front and rear locking differentials, has electric lockers. We have electric locking or disconnectable front sway bar. That sway bar is disconnected right now. So when we go through here, it's gonna beat you up a little bit. That's what we set it up for. That's why people want to come out here.
There we go.
You were wondering why you needed the seatbelt, right? Yeah. All right, so with that sway bar disconnected, what that does is it increases my axle articulation, or the flexibility of the vehicle, by 25%. So I can do something like this. I can throw a wheel up here about 28 inches off the ground. My other 3 wheels are still flat on the ground. If my sway bar were still hooked up, we'd be sitting sideways right now with the wheel in the air.
It's like the mudding setup right now.
Absolutely. or even more of a rock crawling setup.
Okay, gotcha.
But that sway bar can be disconnected on the fly in 4-wheel drive low when you're going less than about 30 miles an hour.
Okay.
Here we have a 35-degree incline going up the hill. We're going to walk right up here. We are in 4-wheel drive low in first gear.
Woo.
But my lockers are not locked. My differentials. It really does, doesn't it? You're in a car and somebody's driving. I have something called hill descent control. We're not going to use it. I don't want to go that slow, but with the push of a button, I can allow it to control my braking, and I can tap through my 8-speed transmission to accelerate and decelerate using the braking going down the hill.
So is this there's the 4-cylinder turbo, there's a 6-cylinder, there's a 6-cylinder
So we
diesel,
have
right?
Yeah, we have the, well, let me get through here and I'll go through those. We have the 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar gas engine. It's 285 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque. Late availability will be the 2-liter turbo, which will be a hybrid. So it'll be it'll have a battery regenerated by the braking. It'll be electric launch.
Okay, cool.
Both of them have start-stop technology or stop-start technology. So when you come to a stop, it turns the engine right off. When you hit the gas, it starts right back up. Slated for next year. I mean, this isn't official, but maybe it is. I've read that diesel will be available next year.
Okay, cool, cool.
This has the heated seats. You can get ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, 320 watt surround sound system by Alpine.
Okay, cool. Pretty loaded.
Yeah, it is. Absolutely. Yeah, a lot of speed bumps. It's set up to go through 30 inches of water, as it is.
There we go.
There it is.
That's Cam Jeep, guys. We got Big Mike enjoying the Charger Scat Pack. Mike, how's it feel?
It's actually pretty comfortable.
Can you imagine doing some thick old burnouts in this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Be better than Grandpa.
So we got the Camaro ZL1 1LE. This is what happens when American car makers go pretty bonkers on the aero.
Yeah.
Now what do y'all think, guys? After college, should I get a ZL1 1LE? Is this the next car? Of course, we got the Stingrays, we got the soft top and the Targa top. And the standard SS, I think this is a Redline package. You can see it's quite subtle compared to the ZL1. And we got the V8 F-Type R. Let's take a look at this interior. Look at that. Get all the noise and all the luxury. This is cool. This is definitely a more European targeted car. For some reason America doesn't like wagons, but I think it's cool. The new XE Sport Brake. Got the Civic Type R over here with Mike getting in. Gonna get in with him and tear up the streets. That was a fail. Just y'all saw me miss the handle. Oof. Seat hugs me like a glove, Mike. The Lexus GSF, another fantastic color here. Yeah, this car, pretty awesome. V8 family sedan. Sounds good, looks good. And of course we got the LC500. This right here is probably the dream daily for me. I'll definitely take this. This color again, very nice. Sorry, Mike. Here we go. The interior of the LC500. Super nice. Everything about this car is like luxury from the future. Mm-hmm. Nissan's bringing out the Star Wars cars. Look at this Titan. It's making noises now. This is awesome, dude. You know, I got the Dark Side Maxima, all matte black with the big old canards and whatnot. This is awesome. We got the all-new Kia Stinger. And then we have it in blue.
We are in Moab, Utah, and we're about to run one of the most intense.
Got the Audi R8 Spider, looking very nice. Gray on red. Would still take a coupe, but it does look good. Now here's the RS7. Now this would be a pretty killer daily as well. And this one sounds amazing. Also looks very nice too with the sloping back end. We got the Nardo Gray TTRS brand new. Looking very nice. Another beautiful car here at the auto show, the E63S. Mercedes is killing it with the designs. We also got the GLE 43. This very nice blue color. We got the Mercedes AMG GT convertible. Probably the only soft top that I actually like for myself. Here at the Maserati booth, we got the all-new Levante, the Ghibli. Man, all these royal blues these car manufacturers are picking to display. Killing me. I love this color. And of course, we got the Gran Turismo MC Stradale, it looks like. Is it? Yeah, MC. More aggressive Gran Turismo. And of course, Ghibli Quattroporte. Here at the Rolls-Royce North and Lambo Houston booth, with a couple nice rolls. The Aventador S, and hiding behind it is a Huracan. Got the BMW i8 wings up. Back seats too. And then we got this crazy painted i8, or i3 I mean, whoops. I don't know if this is a paint or a wrap, but it looks kind of cool. Can't even lie, dude. I've seen this guy at a City Center before. This BMW M4 and some rather nice Vossen rims with the tire stickers completing it. Very nice. We got some classics. We got a 41 Continental convertible. Then this one as well. I'm not sure what this is. We got this Bel Air. That's this 58 Corvette, looking very nice in this orange. The matching Bel Air right over there. It's cool old Mercedes 280 SL. Now look at this brand new CTS-V, already fully built on Weld drag radials, straight meats. Look at that, dude. That's nuts. Then we have a plethora, or you could say assortment, of pace cars from the Indy 500 race. And one bad Z06 parachute, drag radials, nitrous. Can't really go wrong. Look at that. 1,500 horsepower. All right, so over here we got Porsche, the brightest area in the entire auto show.
Yeah, that's right.
New Cayenne, Carrera S, and a Boxster or Cayman, Panamera, and a Boxster. That color on that Boxster, very nice. We got the very angry looking Acura NSX. Rover SVR with a carbon fiber hood. Look at this interior. Very nice. One of the best sounding SUVs you can buy. And then we got the brand new Range Rover Velar, the mid-size Range Rover. Slightly bigger than the Evoque, but smaller than the full-size Sport. Still very luxurious.
That's what I said. Alright, take care. Let us know if you have any questions.
We got the IndyCar Corvette. We're above it all right now, ladies and gentlemen. Look at these. I got the Alfa Romeo Giulio. I believe this is a quadrifoglio. I got the Alfa Romeo Stelvio too. And I can't say I'm a huge fan, but I do like the Giulia. Now look at this cool color on this Toyota. This color is very nice. Now look at this new STI. The brake calipers are like highlighter. It's actually a very nice setup.
Look at my line.
Gosh, those pops. So now we got Butch's Super Sick, one of one Fab Design GTR. It's a wide body kit with a big old wing and a sick wrap. Hopping in top of the hill. It's a rescue mission. So this satin gold GTR, 1800 horsepower, 0 to 60, 2.5 seconds. Bored out from a 3.8 liter V6 to a 4.1 liter V6. Car is so crazy. Kia over here keeping the hamster commercials alive with the new Stinger GT and the Stinger GT2.
It's like, of course. If you want the full effect, come on, we gotta put the windows down then. I like the blip of this car. It doesn't really make this like super kind of my style. Even over that, you can just feel the car just glides over it.
Oh yeah.
All right, you ready to rip?
Of course.
Here we go.
So we just got third on the day for the score. There's the pattern we traveled. 94% accuracy.